Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to create a new profile in the Brave browser on Windows 11 or Windows 10. Creating multiple profiles in Brave allows you to keep your bookmarks, extensions, browsing history, and accounts separate. This is very useful if you want different browsing environments for work, personal use, or testing purposes. First, open the Brave browser on your Windows 11 or 10 PC. Now click on the profile icon in the top right corner and here select Manage Brave Profiles. Here Brave will display all the profiles that you have previously created. To add a new profile, click on the Add button. Now name the profile you want to. After that, you can choose a theme, color theme. In case you don't love any of the color themes, you can click on this one pencil custom color icon, and here you can use color picker to change a color theme of your choice. After that, click on the done button. Brave will now create a new browser window with the new profile. Each profile works independently, meaning it will have its own settings, bookmarks, extensions, and browsing history. You can switch between profiles anytime by clicking the profile icon on the top right corner, and here you will see all the profiles that you have been created. Just click on any profile to switch between profiles. Just click on this. That's it. This is how you can create a new profile in Brave browser on Windows 11 or Windows 10. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more useful Windows tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.